Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massar, along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get to some stocks on the move today. With us is Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Emily Grafeo and Nvidia. Yeah, it's moving a little bit.
It's moving a little bit. When we have a company this big, a little bit in percentage-wise is a lot of billions of dollars moving. But I'm watching Nvidia, ticker NVDA. It hit a record intraday high today, above $184 a share, currently up about 3.5% after the chipmaker said it plans to invest $100 billion in OpenAI, which, of course, is the parent company of ChatGPT, and it's going to be used to support new data centers and other AI infrastructure. I feel like we were just talking about Nvidia making partnerships. It was just Friday, right? That Nvidia agreed to invest $5 billion in Intel. Well, now $100 billion are going to OpenAI. The street's been pretty positive on this.
You get a billion.
Listen,
you get a billion.
Exactly.
Listen,
Or
the
five
billions
or
are
100.
not the billions are not unlimited at Nvidia. The company
Right.
has $56.7 billion in cash and cash equivalents on its balance sheet.
Well, they just committed $100 billion to OpenAI.
So how does that work?
It's a letter of intent.
How does that
which means
work?
I intend to do this, right?
Yes.
But we'll see in reality.
And Nvidia will also be receiving, and it's going to happen. It's not going to be in $100 billion all at once, from my understanding. Bloomberg is reporting that Nvidia will receive equity in OpenAI as part of the deal, according to people familiar with the arrangements. And the goal here is to deploy at least 10 gigawatts of Nvidia systems for OpenAI infrastructure. I thought it was interesting what CFRA had to say. They upgraded the stock to strong buy. They already had a buy rating, moved it up to strong buy.
I really like it.
Exactly. And they said, the analysts over there, the combination of the OpenAI partnership and a potential re-entry into China at some point, among other factors, has the potential to still drive notable upside to our assumptions.
That would be
in
big.
this stock in Nvidia.
China, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool. Where you want to go?
I want to go to Oracle.
Let's go to Oracle.
Okay, so this is another tech stock that's moving higher today. Ticker ORCL. Jumped up about 5% right now, and it's all on optimism about the software firm's role in a potential deal for TikTok. So Bloomberg reported that a White House official said Oracle would recreate and provide security for a new U.S. version of TikTok's algorithm under that deal taking shape to sell Chinese-owned TikTok to a consortium of American investors. That seems to be moving the stock. There is also some Oracle specific management moves they did promote to executives to become co-chief executive officers. I think I'm going to butcher this name, Tim. I don't know if you could say this. Clay Majoric and Mike Silica will become co-chief executive officers.
Well done.
I'm getting the thumbs up.
Well done.
Okay.
Well done. Yeah, that wasn't planned, was it? The executive changes? I don't think so, right?
Yeah, my understanding is it's not. Analysts were largely positive on it, though.
Well, don't forget, Safra Catz was co-CEO with Mark Hurd years ago.
Right.
And then Mark Hurd passed away, I believe, in 2019. And then Safra Catz was the only CEO. Larry Ellison at the time said he would keep her as the only CEO. And now, two CEOs again.
All right. So going back to that plan. All right. Oracle, we're watching. That one's rallying. BETR. Who's that?
We're going to end on a fun note. Can I call it fun when a stock is moving in triple digits?
Anytime we talk about Eric Jackson, I think it's interesting.
It's fun. Okay.
Oh, I saw this one.
Yeah. So this is a digital, like, online home services company.
Yeah.
They do online mortgages.
Yeah, you can refi your home online.
Yes. The ticker is BETR. It was up as much as 175% today. That wasn't even a record because it was up as much as 200% back in 2023. And it's all after a Canadian investor that I know you guys have spoken to, Eric Jackson.
Him a lot. Yeah, he used to not be a meme stock guy either. Like, he's got a tiny hedge fund in Toronto.
Right. EMJ Capital, he tweeted that he's long on Better, and he called the company the Shopify of mortgages. You know, in reading about him, I get a sense that he he is kind of accidentally in the meme stock mania.
I think he has harnessed the power of social media, and he has seen the power of social media.
I think so too.
He's gained a big following.
And now suddenly we're seeing meme stock volume in this company, and meme stock moves here in Better Home.
It's an $842 million market cap right now, even with the increase today.
Yeah, and it did pair those gains, but it's still up about 60% today. And of course, this follows Eric Jackson's move on Open Door Technology, sparking a meme stock style rally in that stock a couple months ago.
Love it, love it.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.